Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've been away a while. I've been writing a book. Gods Can Talk as in angular momentum and force. Let's talk about the subterranean chamber, which is the last chapter in the book, chapter 12. What was the subterranean chamber and what clues were there? First clue was the well shaft, then the blind passage, and then the entrance to the height into the chamber. First, let's look at the well shaft. This is a model made of the well shaft. Let me take this little tile at the top. Right, this is a model of the well shaft. So, shaft goes down, and on the shaft there's a type of shelf just there. Don't know whether you can see. This type of shelf. Now I wondered what that shelf was for. I actually wondered what the shaft was for, to be honest, to begin with. But then I realised if there was some type of machine in here, it would need some type of shaft to for the pulleys to rotate about. So what you would do, you would bury the shaft in the hole in the ground. Bury the shaft in the hole in the ground like that. Put your tile over the top. Which would fit on the shelf. Make it fit. There we are. So the tile fits on the top. You would then put your pulleys on top of the shaft, and then draw the shaft through the pulleys. So once you've got all your pulleys on the shaft, you would then rotate this tile, and then the shaft would stick onto the ground, onto the shelf that I showed you beforehand. So we've got the shaft, and we know we've got some pulleys there. So this is what you end up with. You've got the entrance to the shaft here. That's the entrance to the shaft. Goes into the chamber. Then this is where the shaft is on that pivot. You have a couple of pulleys on the top. That one is to power it. This is the final main pulley. So what we've got a string at the back. This one here, and that string is continuous. It goes all the way round. So as you pull it, the rope, just like a chain hook really. As you pull it, it rotates. So for every one rotation, so every 12 rotations of this top wheel, you get one rotation of the bottom wheel there, or the middle wheel. You see it going round very slowly. So it's a reduction gearbox really. That's what the subterranean chamber is. And the tow rope goes round this pulley, and the balance goes in the blind passage just there. And this tow rope that's coming through, remember you've got a 12-to-1 reduction now, so that pulls the huge stones towards the pyramid. So the subterranean chamber was the first thing to be built really on the plateau that was needed to bring the huge stones to start constructing the pyramid. Now, if you can support my channel, you can buy the book. It explains all of that better than I can explain it really. I stuttered and stammered my way through these videos, but once it's all written down, it's easier to understand. So it's on Amazon from the 1st of September. This is the machine. This is a full explanation of how I worked it all out. In fact, I worked all this thing out on the 1st of September. You can pre-order it now on Kindle, but the hardback and the paperback, you won't be able to order till the 1st of September. So if you can support the channel by pre-ordering I'd appreciate it. Thanks. Bye now.